Have you ever passed by a futuristic-looking building in Winnipeg, shaped like a sleek metallic cone, and wondered what secrets lie within? Welcome to the Royal Canadian Mint, one of the most fascinating and secure places in all of Canada. Located on the eastern edge of Winnipeg, this architectural marvel isn't just a factory, it's a global powerhouse. Every single Canadian circulation coin, from the shiny luni in your pocket to the smallest cent, is produced right here. But what most people don't know is that this mint also produces currency for more than 75 countries around the world. Yes, this hidden gem is an international hub of precision, innovation, and art. The building itself, completed in 1976, is unlike anything you've seen. With its futuristic facade and cutting-edge design by architect Etienne Gabory, it was built to symbolize forward thinking and national pride. The cone-shaped tower gleams against the prairie sky, surrounded by a carefully manicured landscape and one unique feature: triangular flag on post. The Road of Flags, a proud display of all the nations for whom Canada has produced coins. Walking along this path feels like a journey through global history. Right here in Manitoba, inside the mint, visitors are treated to an eye-opening tour. You'll see how blank metal discs are transformed into coins with incredible speed, accuracy, and security. You'll even hold a solid gold bar worth over $800,000. The guides share stories of rare, collectible coins, Olympic medals created here, and the cutting-edge technology behind every press. But there's more. Did you know that the Winnipeg Mint once made coins for places like Jamaica, Bangladesh, and Norway? Or that it holds the Guinness World Record for the world's largest gold coin, a 100 kilograms, 99.999% pure gold coin. Sparkles. This place isn't just about money, it's about craftsmanship, national pride, and global impact. Admission tickets for tours are affordable and perfect for families, solo explorers, or history buffs. You'll find a well-stocked gift shop full of rare collector's coins, kids' souvenirs, and even precious metals for investors. Map how to get there. The Royal Mint is located at 520 Lagimodiere Blvd in Winnipeg. If you're coming from downtown, take Route 59 north. It's a straight 15-minute drive. Plenty of parking available, and buses from Winnipeg Transit also stop nearby. So next time you're in Winnipeg, don't just pass it by. Step inside a world of value, heritage, and secrets. Closed lock with key. The Royal Canadian Mint, where every coin has a story, and some are waiting to be told.